What is the best insurance for hit-and-run accidents? Have you ever wondered what happens if you are involved in a hit-and-run accident? It can be a stressful situation, but knowing the right insurance coverage can make a difference. So, what is the best insurance for hit-and-run accidents? The answer lies in understanding collision coverage and uninsured motorist coverage. Collision coverage is essential. It helps pay for repairs to your vehicle if it is damaged in a hit-and-run accident, regardless of who is at fault. This means that even if the other driver flees the scene, your insurance can help cover the costs of fixing your car. However, keep in mind that collision cover usually comes with a deductible. This is the amount you will need to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Now, let's talk about uninsured motorist coverage. This type of coverage is designed to protect you if you are injured or your property is damaged by an unidentified or uninsured driver. Uninsured motorist bodily injury cover helps pay for medical expenses if you are hurt in a hit-and-run. Additionally, uninsured motorist property damage coverage can help with repairs or replacement costs for your vehicle, but it is not available in every state. It is also worth considering medical payments coverage and personal injury protection. These coverages can help with medical costs, regardless of who is at fault in the accident. They can be beneficial in hit-and-run situations, ensuring you have support for any medical expenses. When you are shopping for auto insurance, it is important to ensure that both collision coverage and uninsured motorist coverage are included in your policy. Each state has different requirements, so be sure to check what is available in your area. Understanding the limits of each coverage is also vital. These limits cap the maximum payout you can receive, so knowing them can help you prepare for any potential claims. If you find yourself in a hit-and-run accident, filing a claim is essential. You should report the incident to your insurance company as soon as possible. This may involve providing any police reports or evidence you have from the accident. Working closely with your insurance adjuster will help you navigate the process of getting your vehicle repaired and any medical claims processed. In summary, the best insurance for hit-and-run accidents includes both collision coverage and uninsured motorist coverage. These coverages provide the most comprehensive protection, ensuring you are covered for both vehicle damage and medical expenses. By understanding your options and being prepared, you can feel more confident on the road.